In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike to create a request form. If you're looking to streamline your request management processes, learning how to create forms in Wrike can be invaluable. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Wrike. Make sure you've logged into your account to access all the features we'll be using. Once you're in your workspace, the next thing you need to do is click on your profile icon. You'll find this at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking here will bring up a menu. From this menu, click on Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, look on the left-hand side and you should see an option for Request Forms. Go ahead and click on that. This is where we begin creating our request form. If this is your first time creating a request form in this space, you'll see an option to create a request form highlighted. Otherwise, you'll see a plus form button. Click on it. This brings us to the basic details of the form. You'll first need to enter a descriptive name for your form. This is important because a clear name helps users immediately understand the form's purpose. Additionally, consider writing a short description. Although optional, it's helpful to give users context and guidance on how to fill out the form correctly. Next, it's time to add and customize questions. Look for the plus button under Add a Question. This lets you create new fields within your form. When drafting questions, clarity is key. Each question should be straightforward to avoid any user confusion. You have options to customize fields such as single-line text, paragraph text, or drop-down menus, depending on the responses you expect. A great tip is to use the Answer Required setting for questions that must be answered, and you can add instructions for additional guidance. Once your questions are set, configure the form submission settings. Start by choosing a space where you'd like items created from the form to be saved. Then select an action upon submission. You can opt for creating new tasks, projects, or even duplicating items from existing blueprints. It's also important to define the placement, specifying exactly where these new items should go. Another feature you might find useful, especially if collaborating with people outside of Wrike, is the public link. This enables you to share the form easily. Explore the other settings too, such as enabling email notifications or adding CAPTCHA security for an extra layer of protection. Finally, when everything looks good, go ahead and click on Save or Publish. If you've enabled a public link, make sure to copy the URL so you can share it with users. There you have it. You've successfully created a request form in Wrike. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your requests effectively.